Right, down there is a diesel heater from Eberspacher, right? And you see that? What is that? You see that, right? Okay, so underneath the heater there is two pipes. One's the exhaust and the other one is the combustion air intake. That bent round and straight back up through the floor into the vehicle rather than being outside, instantly the fuel consumption is far less. If that's down outside dangling underneath, it drinks like unbelievable. And why? Because inside that there is a temperature sensor, so I'm led to believe, and so with that pipe inside, that's what you got to do. And as you see, I have two heaters because this is Propex, and personally it's far cheaper to run, far less grief and problems than diesel, unless you spend like 50 quid. I haven't worked out what the how much fuel it's using now, right? Well, I can give you an idea. 1 litre in say 3 or 4 hours, I guess, of diesel. But gas is far cheaper. But when it's freezing cold, a big vehicle, and this is a big lorry, 23 feet in the back, if you want it to heat up fast, that's the equivalent of 8 kilowatts. This is nearly all rigged up, gas pipe underneath going to a propane tank, all very nearly there. But that heater, the Eberspacher, I put in first, but having both definitely better, because the Propex is pumping out hot air in 20 seconds. The diesel heat is never pumping out heat like that. Then it takes a while for the thing to turn on, and then you can get air in the diesel line. That's one of the faults that can happen, which is a bummer if you run out of diesel, and then it takes a few times to cycle on and off before the heat will turn on. So yeah, I've got both. They're both 4 kilowatt, and anyway, if you want to improve the fuel consumption massively, then that's what you need to do with that pipe.